Hello, we are the IWMS Tririga team and we are excited to present our AI based challenge solution. We have completed three solutions which were given to us as a part of challenge. So, the task one was related to sentiment analysis. So, in the first task, we have generated the F1 micro score. The score is 0.88. Now, we have a second task which is related to summarized product. In that, we have the received the raw score of 0.34, which is close to zero point 0.5. Now we'll jump on to the second challenge, that is the using Watson AI assistant. As per the requirement, we have created a credit card request chat form. So first of all, we'll type hi and we are getting a response. Then they'll ask for a registered mobile number. So we are just giving it as 123, which we have put it in backend. So here we are getting option to select the credit card as per our request. So we'll select one of the credit card and then we'll get a response from the chatbot. And now we have two options, either we can go online and choose the credit card or we can go offline mode also. So we'll first check online. So in this online we have two options, one is website and through an online form. So first we'll go through a website. So once we go to this website, we have the option to go to the URL directly for the bank website, where we can go and we can register for the credit card. So in online form, we have a option of live agent also. So when we click over this live agent, we'll direct it to HDFC link, where we can directly connect it to agent of So HDFC. Here is the use cases which we have developed or thought of with the help of Watson X AI. The first one is support automation intelligent interface, and the second one is AI based document processing system. So the first one, I would like to give a problem. Like many companies globally are facing this challenge, like due to the higher operational cost, inconsistent support, the SLA times are getting breached. Business users are getting affected because of the delayed response from the team. So to solve this problem, we will create a chatbot which business users can go. They can share their queries over there. If that is a recurring issue, we will create an SOP which we will provide to users so that they can be easily resolved. But if the issue is higher priority, or if it should be solved within seconds, so we will create a live agent link as well, so that the business users can get in support with the support team. So what all people who will get benefited from this type of AI based solution will be the business users who will reach out to the team, the management. Their operational efficiency will be reduced because the half of the work or 70% of the work will be done using the chatbot. The IT department, the marketing and sales team, so everyone will get benefited with the help of this. So also, what is our initiative or approach creative solution? So with the help of this, with the help of SOPs, with the help of CRM integration and ticketing system, users will have an accurate solution with them, and it will be efficient support processes so that the SLAs are not breached. So, our analysis of the common issues faced by business users and vendors have revealed key important opportunities. Developing a support automation system with Watson X will significantly benefit both companies and users. So, this is the architectural diagram which we have developed for our solution. Also, we have one more solution with us. For this, we have given the statement and our idea, but due to time constraint, we were not able to work on it. Thank you.